February 4th, 2025, on a cold Tuesday, CEO briefing. And then he said something that changed everything in the room. Ladies and gentlemen, you're most welcome. Today is unusual, isn't it? I can see the expression on your faces, okay? And I want to welcome you once again for this meeting. Allow me open up with a Luo saying, Kai mitoko maleng, we kabir magipidi iewala tin, which simply means if you want a better life, you'll have to step out of that place where you're spoon-fed. As a CEO of this company, I'm going to say some things that some of you won't like it and some will appreciate afterwards. I would love to say that this year, all of you, your contracts are ending. It's so unfortunate, but again, it's unfortunate. That's why I started up with the Luo saying, it's not our wanting, but also it is our culture with us that after every 5 years, we'll set you free. You go and explore other new things. You need to go innovate, okay? And so I appreciate your 5 years being with us here. And the 5 years are ending in December. So that means we shall be recruiting new young minds as we bless you. We set you free. Go explore. Start something new in your life. It sounds harsh, but it's not. And so take this time preparing up your mind. Find out who you are. Take your time. Don't stress up. I won't take much of your time. If you have any question, please, you're free to ask me via mails, via phone. I'll be there for you. Thank you, and God bless you for me. That was the communication from the CEO himself. And such kind of communications causes fever from nowhere. It's called by your sweat. It wasn't an easy day for us, to be honest. So I started imagining all sort of things. How I'll start up life, from next year. And so after a week, I went for a retreat, I went up countries, Bali. So in one of the nights, as I was meditating, a powerful word came out of my heart. And the statement was, if God has been able to sustain me throughout all these years successfully, now what makes me think that the Lord will not do the same thing for me when I start up something on my own? That one uplifted my soul. I said, okay, and I have someone who can back me up now. That's the upper hand. So once that sunk in my mind deep, I got relieved of the burden of imagining all sorts of imagination when you're jobless. So I went through all my archives, the skills archive. I'm a communications officer. What do I do? I'm handling all the social media tasks. I'm doing web maintenance. I'm also designing all the publications. So I said, okay, I'm a very good web designer. I do maintenance. That means I also know SEO, okay? And then I also added on what I love so much, which is travels. Said, okay, I have something here now in common. That means I'm not just like that. No. So what I did, from Bali, I traveled again up country to venture into tourism in the hotel business. Now, in the hotel business, I had to make now partnership with the hotel owners around Mission Falls. I made partnership with Nile Treats. I made with Majestic. And then I also did with tourist cottages. Pakwach, those three for start. Life moves on. And that means I can now sell accommodations. And that's what I do as I do my digital work remotely. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm just sharing out my life story. One or two or three of you could be going through what I'm going through. Some could be even seeking what to do. Just to go through your archives, skills archive, what you can do. Start up. Don't hate yourself. It's not the end of life. This is Uganda. You have to venture into anything that brings you money. God bless you as you craft your things. See better days ahead. Amen.